A lot of our stores have 6 up to 9 screens. So, we utilize the back-end software with Genius to go in and you can see real-time what is displayed on that screen. If you have digital menu boards and you've got movement and motion on those screens, they see the lemonade pouring out or they see, cinnamon rolls being frosted. So then they're like, oh, wait, I'm hungry. I need a snack. You can change day parts. You can put on, if you got a happy hour, you can promote this special. So it really gives you a lot of flexibility with your pricing, your marketing plan. You can connect all 3 screens together or however many you've got, make one big message, segment it out, move one screen, not the other 2. So, the hardware is important, but obviously the marketing elements are what really, gets the attention of the consumer. I actually do my own installations with Genius. I think it's super simple. Menu prices is super easy. It's just with the click. You just go on your laptop, sign into the Genius website, go to the store, and you can push it down for a single store or you can push it down for groups. The contact with the support team, you can get a hold of them, whether it's email, whether it's call them right away and troubleshoot it. The way they managed the relationship and stood behind their products and software was best to none.